is Anjali. I'm one of the co-presidents at UWN, which stands for the United Women's Network. So what exactly is UWN? And if someone were to ask me this maybe a year ago, I would have had no idea. But UWN to me now is a community of people that truly are there to inspire each other and to uplift each other up and become the best versions of themselves. We're open to undergraduate and graduate students at UIC. We're also open to all majors. The purpose of our organization is to foster an empowering community of people, and it connects students to professionals and helps them to build collaborative relationships with professionals. And it also encourages dialogues between students about the ongoing unique challenges and also opportunities that women face in the workforce in the 21st century. And I've been a part of UWN for a really long period of time, almost 2 or 3 years I want to say, and it truly has been one of the most fulfilling experiences on campus. And I hope to see you on campus one day and to maybe even potentially join UWN. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Karen and I'm one of the co-presidents for UWN this year. And I just wanted to take a moment to talk about one of my favorite UWN events. It's the annual signature event, Women in Business Conference. It's actually one of the largest student organization run events on campus, and I really enjoyed it because we usually have some amazing speakers and panelists who come out and share their experience of what it's like to be a woman in their work field. Just so empowering to hear their stories, to see how successful they all are in their fields. But apart from this, you also get to meet your peers. When we did have this event in person, we usually got to dress up, eat some great food, take some cute boomerangs. But this year we actually had the event virtually and we held it over 2 days. It was still super fun and very informative. I personally learned a lot and I was really inspired by all the speakers that we had come on. So I'm definitely very excited to see what this year's Women in Business Conference is gonna look like.
If I could describe UWN in one word, I would say hardworking, because our org is filled with a bunch of hardworking individuals who are motivated, talented, and just overall inspiring.
Hi, I'm Gabby. I'm the Marketing Vice Chair for UWN, and my favorite memory from UWN is from the Hot Chocolate 5K, because we were volunteering and it was freezing cold outside, the coldest I've ever been in my whole life, and we were just jumping around trying to make ourselves warm, and it was just a really fun time because we were all together and laughing and handing out freezing cold Gatorade.